Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment.
Hello, everyone. We're having a beach day today.
The Mechanicals are playing hide and seek with Helena.
Have fun! But don't go too far. If you get lost, stay put and call out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here she comes. Gecko, look!
Salty screwdrivers! That's sea fog, and it's rolling in fast. Mechanicals, stay where you are and call out. We'll follow the sound. There you are! Oh, we found you! Oh, yay! It's Helena's tail rotor.
But where's Helena?
Don't worry, Cat. We'll find her.
Wait! Listen! I can hear Helena! This way! We found you! Ay, qué bueno!
But look! The tide's coming in! We need to reattach Helena's tail rotor! Quick!
See, Gecko, without her tail rotor, Helena will spin out of control!
What tools do I need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Hurry now, mates! This fix is a race! To beat the tide and get this rotor in place! Hold your rotor tight when spinning fast during flight. Now let's adjust the rotor here so it can help you balance and steer.
Magnifico! Gracias, Gecko.
Oh, you're welcome, Cat. We did it!
Oop, gotta fly. Quick, now take off before the tide comes in. See you back at the base.
Woo! Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Happy Halloween! It's all right, mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye!
Here comes Cat.
Huh? Hola, Gecko. Hola, mechanicals.
Hi, Cat. The mechanicals have been so excited to see you. Oh, I think the mechanicals wish they could fly like you, Cat.
Make that junk fly, Sty.
Ah, no more pesky parts cluttering up my nice clean garage.
This is not junk.
You're right, Cat. We can use this stuff. Waste not, want not.
I can tell you have an idea already, Gecko.
Let's just say I'm aiming high. Amazing work, team. That was quick as a flash.
We built a flying machine from a pile of trash.
Go, go, mechanicals. It's time to fly high up in the sky.
All nice and clean after touching that horrible junk.
And it's vanished already. I'll never see that rubbish again.
We are quite a team, on land and now in the air.
Yes, Cat, that's true. And the sky's the limit to what we can do. Hello, everyone. We're in the great outdoors today on a camping trip with Fiona and Dandy.
Gather round, everyone. Dandy's here with some campsite rules to make sure we all stay safe.
It's important to know how to have fun and be safe.
Rule number 1, always follow campfire safety. Rule number 2, respect nature. Always pick up your litter and leave no trace. Rules.
Thanks, Dandy. Let's all be sure to follow these rules. Does anyone smell
Fire! No!
Fear not. Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
Great work, Dandy. You saved Mr. Weasel's camp.
You mean ruined my camp? Let's go, Sly. They're cramping my camping style. We're stuck.
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the bog. We have to help him. Grab onto Fiona's hose. Oh, no! It won't reach. Fiona, can you drive any closer?
Uh-oh! Fiona's wheels are spinning in the slippery mud!
Aha! We'll extend the hose and wrap it around that tree for leverage and turn Fiona's reel into a winch. What tools do we need? Hacksaw, wrench.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First, tie this rope onto the hose, and then we'll see how far it goes. Wrap the rope around this tree, the stronger our pulling power will be.
Oh!
Fiona's hose is now a big, strong winch to pull our friends free, inch by inch.
We're free! We're muddy.
Dandy's here to deal with the dirt!
I have soggy underpants.
Rule number 3, always bring an extra pair of dry underwear.
Goodbye, everyone.
I hate mud.
Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon, which means...
Don't worry, Max. I'm coming. Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max,
If I let some air out of the tyres,
we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage.
There you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Hello, everyone. Kat's putting on a magic show, and I'm her assistant.
For my next trick, could I please have a volunteer? Yes, baby truck. Stand here, Porfis.
My cue. Magnets attract things made of metal, like baby truck. This dial controls the magnet's pulling strength.
With a wave of my wand, alakazam! Perfecto! Who's next? Molly! Prepare to float by magic! Why? That's not part of the show.
We'll get you down, Yellow. I'll just turn off the magnet. Oh, no! Yellow's stuck in the tree.
Let's take a break. I'll be back.
Cat, maybe we could use your magic silks as a rope to get Yellow down.
Buena idea, Gecko. Catch, Yellow.
Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Hold on, Yellow! Poor Yellow's terrified of heights. Oh no, Yellow! How will we get her down from that mountain? I know. We'll attach my spare magnet to Helena's grabbing arm and pull Yellow to us.
Great plan. Let's go.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Take the strain, we'll attach it with a big strong chain. With a wrench and bolts, we'll make the change, so the magnet boosts our grabbing range. Connect the wire through this hole to give us full magnetic control. With the dial in place and the magnet below, we can save our dear friend Yellow. Let go, Yellow! The magnet won't drop you, I promise! Got you! Now, let's get back to the magic show. Are you ready for the